it was lit on fire. Forgot I was gonna vlog today, so I'm starting this vlog a little late. It's like 11 or 12, and we're at the old place right now, moving some of the last stuff over, feeding our kitty because he couldn't come. He's not coming till we completely move everything out because I don't want him to like get scared, so we have to keep coming and petting him and making sure he's fine and not like lonely. But yeah, what is that? I had like food on my face. Yeah, we're gonna move some more stuff in today. And then we slept over at the place yesterday, but we didn't have everything like put together. So tonight's gonna be like more like our first official night sleeping at the new place with like everything. So yeah. Forgot I was vlogging again, but we're at the new house now. Vivian's here. Vivian, say hi. Hello. So we're opening up a bunch of packages that I got, some Amazon packages, and I got some really, really cool silverware stuff. It's not really silverware, it's more like chromeware now. And my knives match. Doesn't this look like the 1000 degree knife challenge knife, sort of? Here, I'll show you. See, it's like really cool. It's like it was lit on fire. What a knife. And then I also got a bunch of stuff to cook with. And what else did we get? Some soaps from Vivian's mom. Smoothie. Just some hauls of the things that you need when you move. We have another package. Let's see what's inside. We have plates, and I wanted glass plates to go with a sort of like see-through theme, like my chairs, see-through chairs. I don't know if I showed you guys these chairs. Rolly built them. It's coming along. And we have the last package in there. Okay, so in here came 2 of these cups. They're really cool. They match my forks and knives and stuff. And I ordered 4 more smaller ones like to here, and they're coming this week. And then we have another one of the same cup. And my shower curtain came. I got 2 for both of the showers, and I just took a shower this morning without the shower curtain, so I'm glad it's here. Okay, I can't use them just yet. It's just the curtain without the hooks. How disappointing. Where do you find shower curtain hooks, Vivian? Like Target? Oh my god, I was just there. So here is the stuff I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. We'll do a little haul. We got this thing for the sink to dry like that. Then we got, yes, this is crucial, so the bottoms of your paper towels do not get dirty. Ta-da! It's perfect. Last thing in this bag. So we also have a got this drying rack, and then we have this thing for sponges and cleaning stuff to stick into the sink. I have this to organize my silverware in, and then I think there's something underneath it or something like that. I don't know. And a baking sheet so I can bake veggies or cookies or whatever I want to bake. Last but not least, we got a allergy mattress protector because I need this so nothing gross gets in my mattress, like bugs and dust and germs. Me and Vivian are gonna go train, but I want to show you a quick little sneak peek at how my room's coming along. So we built the bed. I still need to get like a piece of plywood or something to put underneath it so that it doesn't mess it up, because there's no box spring, because my box spring was too big. And then I have to return these sheets and get gray ones because I don't like the pink. I think it's too bright, but I like this pink pillow. And everything else is still not fully together. My closet's kind of coming together, but yeah, this is the update. I put together my bedside table like in my old house. It's pretty cute. So I just finished working out. I'm eating a little burrito as a snack to hold me over. Vivian just devoured her food. Yellow. I'm wearing a yellow shirt. So Vivian's taking a shower, and I'm just gonna put on some makeup for the event that we're gonna go to. It's a beauty blender event, and I'm pretty excited. And my makeup's done. I'm wearing an outfit. This is the only mirror I have in the house. Well, besides the other bathroom mirror. And these shoes. Ha, okay.
The Blow Pop Hero.
Didn't you just say that you don't eat sugar?
No.
Oh.
I just said my chocolate bar was sugar-free.
Oh. And you're getting on me for the bark then. I'm just kidding. Let's go. We're in the elevator. Hello. Look, you can see the behind of me. I hear people. I think we're close to the event. We're at the Waldorf Astoria. Fluff that hair out, Vivian. Shake it out. You still have the lollipop. That lasted a while. There's a literal chair of beauty blenders. That is crazy. I'm taking a picture there.
Beauty blender
versus fake. We are walking to Gracias Madre. We're about to get some food. I'm ready to eat. Are you ready to eat?
And I said I didn't want Mexican, but we're gonna try this spot out.
It's actually really good. I think you'll like it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I will.
We finished dinner. Oh my god. And it's so cold. Brr, brr. I'm purring like my cat. I'm so cold. Purr. Oh my god, look at the moon. It got smaller, Vivian. I think the moon moved.
Oh yeah, it's like there now. It looks like a regular moon.
Yeah, but it's like a full regular moon.
Yeah.
Tonight's moon. Sorry if the quality of this looks awful. I'm back home now. It's literally like 12:50, almost 1 in the morning. I don't know. Me and Vivian went to dinner and we didn't get done dinner till like 10 something, and then we passed by her friend's house and we said hi, which ended up being like a 2-hour conversation. And then I just got back here, but oh my gosh, recap of the night. Well, the event, the Beauty Blender event, was at the Waldorf Astoria, and I guess that's where like celebrities stay when they are based in New York and then come to LA, because I saw like, I swear, like 3 different celebrities. One of them, I was in the elevator, I like couldn't figure out who he was, but he looked so familiar. I feel like that happens every time I see a celebrity, and I made eye contact with him and he seemed like really like good energy, really friendly, like someone who does hosting. That's what I was like thinking like the vibe was. And lo and behold, I was right. He was talking to like somebody he was with in the elevator, and as we got out, the guy was like, "See you later, Mike," or something like that. I'm like, Mike? Who's Mike? And all of a sudden it hits me. It's like, no, this guy was on, his name's Michael. I don't remember his last name. It'll come to me. He was on the Regis and Kelly show when Regis left. He was co-hosting with Kelly for a little while, and then he left that show, and now Ryan Seacrest is there. But Mike, whatever his last name is, I don't know, now is on Good Morning America. And sometimes I'll go do some cardio and I'll turn on like Good Morning America because I like to see like the clock. This was at my old place before there was a clock built into the equipment, because there's a clock built into the equipment here. Pretty cool. Anyway, so yeah, he's the guy from Good Morning America, and like he was so nice in the elevator. He was like, "Ladies first," and let me and Vivian walk out the elevator first, and he just was like super smiley and friendly to us. I was like, you are like a friendly ass person. Cool. I love when celebrities are like that. And then when we were waiting at the valet for Vivian's car, Jimmy Iovine walks by, and if you guys don't know who that is, he's like a music legend. He represents and like basically like made the careers possible for so many celebrities that you guys know and love in the music industry, and that's like one of Roland's idols. So I was like, oh my god. I didn't even like, I saw the back of his head because my friend that I was standing with was like, yo, Jimmy Iovine just walked by, and like we made eye contact and I was like, oh my god. I like looked and I saw like the back of his head. I was like, wow, cool. I watched a documentary on him because Roland was watching it, and yeah, so it was pretty cool. And then we ended up having a really good dinner at one of my favorite vegan restaurants, Gracias Madre. So it was good. Now I'm like pooped AF and I'm gonna go to sleep. This is my new bed that I'm gonna sleep in tonight. Yes. Side note, just wanted to mention that you create your own reality. And when you see me going to cool events and having a good time, just know that that is something you yourself can 100% manifest into your life through positive thinking and positive action, just taking the first step to get you to where you want to be, whatever that may be. Tonight, Vivian was like, I always wanted to work for Jimmy Iovine. And I was like, well, I mean, you manifested the reality enough to be in the same realm as him and have him walk by you. So you guys must be on a similar frequency to have crossed paths enough. Maybe you could work for him. Just believe it enough and anything can happen. Okay, that was my positive note for the night. Now I need to go to sleep. I love you guys so much. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and if you missed my previous video, you know what to do at the end. Click it. Love you. Bye!
I do not want you to